having trouble with cold starts, engine overheating, poor fuel efficiency, and unwanted engine noise. Nano Energizer delivers up to 8 to 21% fuel savings, up to 40% in idle mode, reduces noise and vibration by 5 times, restores and protects friction surfaces, increases oil pressure, enhances combustion, restores engine power to 100%, and reduces the friction coefficient by 3 to 9 times. How to apply Nano Energizer smaller engine in vehicle under 600cc. First, it's a good idea to start by changing the oil in your motorcycle. Drain out the old oil and replace the filter according to your bike's specifications. It will help the Nano Energizer work more effectively. Once your oil change is complete, start your engine and let it warm up for a few minutes. When the engine is warm, the oil flows more easily, ensuring Nano Energizer is evenly distributed throughout, reaching every part it needs to protect. Next, grab your pouch of Nano Energizer. Give it a good shake to mix the formula well. Now, pour 30 milliliters of Nano Energizer into the oil cap. This is the perfect amount for motorcycles under 600cc. Remember, for optimal results, apply Nano Energizer every 30,000 kilometers. It boosts engine power, enhances combustion and lubrication, extends engine life, and reduces smoke, fuel consumption, and noise for a smoother, more efficient ride. Can also be used in the steering wheel, car's transmission and gearbox. Keep your engine at its peak every time you hit the road. Visit us online in Shopee and Lazada.